Hey everyone, Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. If you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep an eye on beautiful vehicles like this 2022 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L. Clean CARFAX, one owner, just under 32,000 miles. We'll get into the exact mileage here in just a bit. This vehicle is equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 and loaded with amenities and features. Perfect family vehicle, third row, stow and go. There's so much to go over, so let's get started. Let's start up front here with the sleek styling from Chrysler. They did a great job here on the front end here. As you can see, the nice clean lines, chrome trim down below, white all the way around lower bumper fascia, and then you have that nice design in that grille insert, high intensity headlights, and you will have fog lights integrated into the lower bumper as well. Okay, pretty standard wheel and tire setup here. Looks like you have like new brakes, rotors, tires. We also do a fresh oil change and a PA state inspection, and we'll get into the exact tread depth and the exact specifications of that just in a bit. One of the features on this Touring L, you will have turn signal indicators integrated in your mirror cap, and you will also have your passive door entry there with the push of a button. You can lock and unlock. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. A nice two-tone all the way around. Looks like you have some black, tan, your tan stitching right there, brushed aluminum, and that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this beautiful, elegant vehicle here, guys. High gloss black on the infotainment center, black leather all the way around, just tons of comfort and convenience features loaded in this Chrysler Pacifica. You will receive 2 keys for your added convenience here at All Things Automotive. On this key fob, you can see your lock, unlock, remote start, and you have all the door functions right at the touch of your fingertips. If not, just go ahead and put it in your pocket and watch what happens when you push that button. Door rolls back, easy peasy. Here we go. Let's check out here. You got your bucket seats right here. The whole rear space of this Pacifica is stow and go. So I'm gonna show you that really quick. First start by pulling this up right here, and that's gonna kind of rest there. And then we're gonna go ahead and fold this seat down. First, we wanna make sure our headrest is down here. We're gonna press this lever and fold our seat. Then we're just gonna pull on this strap right here, and it should go right down into its spot, like so. Okay, we're gonna fold this out, and it'll just easily snap into place, like that. And that works with all the seats, not only the third row, but the second row as well. And when you're all done, you just hit that button, and there you go. Moving on to the back, let's take it to lift gate here. So that's also a lift gate assist here. That's a powered lift gate right there. You can see your backup camera. These seats also will fold right in for stow and go. If you do have your third row up, you still have plenty of deep storage back here, and some storage compartments on the side as well, along with a 12 volt. And you will see your lift gate buttons right here. And there you have it. I have the key fob in my pocket, so you will see once I put my hand on there, it recognizes I am the designated user for this vehicle. I can open the door right up there. Into the driver area here, you will notice your leather wrapped armrest here with your white stitching. All your power controls right here, and you do have 2 driver profiles right there, so that's your memory select right there. Power options on the driver's seat, lamp selector, and brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster. So let's go ahead and start it up. Push button start, and I have the key in my pocket. So just over 32,000 miles here. Okay, so nice graphics here from Chrysler. You will have some mounted controls on your steering wheel as far as a control pad for your center cluster. You can display all kinds of information. Down below you have your Bluetooth connectivity, so you can be hands-free. Over here is your adaptive cruise control. You do have your proximity right there, so you can set, pretty much personalize however you'd like to do that. Going over to our nice display here, let me go ahead and turn this heat down. Somebody had that cranked. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. Now you can access all your climate controls on the screen or on here. So nice high gloss black surrounding the infotainment center here. You will notice a nice large backup camera, all kinds of features. Right here you have vehicle settings. You can change and pretty much personalize it however you'd like. There's your climate, steering wheel, heated on and off, and heat front seats. Then you have your rear as well. Now you can control that on your screen, or there's a module right back there that you can do so. Going on down here, some more features. Automatic start and stop, you can turn that on and off. Lane departure or lane keep assist, traction control off. And then down here is your hard buttons for your climate control, electronic parking brake. A lot of comfort and convenience features, guys. This is the perfect family vehicle. So let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will find a beautiful 3.6 liter V6 engine, nice and clean, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. Our crew does an amazing job of making these ready for the next buyer, guys. They do meticulously look over these vehicles. So let's go ahead and continue our last portion of the video. Nice bright headlights here. There's your LED markers. It cuts through the daylight, so just imagine that at night. Last portion of our video, guys, I want to walk around the vehicle, show you some of the dents, dings, or imperfections this vehicle may or may not have. Starting up front here, you have normal wear and tear from the road. Down below here, your lower bumper, just some small imperfections. Not so much on the hood here. You'll see a few chips, but other than that, very good shape. These headlights, very clear. There's no haziness or fogginess to those. Couple blemishes here on the passenger side. Going up, now if you did catch, there is a crease here. Our paintless dent repair specialist will be in tomorrow, so before this thing ever hits the lot, that wheel will be repaired, so no worries there. On the mirror cap, you will see a small blemish here, and maybe some small blemishes on the passenger door handle. Other than that, I didn't see anything. All the chrome trim around looks to be in good shape. High gloss black on the surrounding trims on the door. Again, by the lift gate, very nice shape on the high gloss black. Your elongated tail light there. Just a nice sporty looking van here, guys. I don't even want to call it a van. It's kind of like a crossover between an SUV and a van. They make these so nice these days, especially Chrysler does a great job with these Pacificas. So let's go ahead and keep looking around. I didn't see anything else. The interior's in really good shape. Top of the roof, no dents or dings. I didn't smell any odors. Definitely was a non-smoker vehicle. No rips or tears in the leather. Just a nice vehicle here, guys. You got to come see it for yourself here at All Things Automotive. So give us a call, 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or go to allthingsautomotive.com where you can shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved in minutes. Make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage. Yes, we take trade-ins. We'd love to see you here at All Things Automotive, 21518 Great Cove Road, Collinsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.